One of the most difficult things is waiting and watching, because it doesn't come in a hurry. It's like watching a tragedy in slow motion.
Well, it's now been a week and a half since Hurricane Florence made landfall on the Carolina coast, and some cities are still underwater. This is video from Conway, South Carolina. Flooding is hitting new record highs, and the water is expected to stick around for weeks. All people can do is boat their way through their neighborhoods. Our Kirsten Glavin was in Conway today.
It is expected to get worse before it gets better here in Conway. The rivers are already swelling and drowning out entire neighborhoods.
Let's walk right here on these steps because it's a little bit safer.
He's seen flooding before, but nothing like this.
I've lived in this house for about 24 years and have never, ever seen water this high.
Davis Nabnett says he watches every day as the water level rises around his Lakeland Drive home.
Last night, around 11:30, I came out here and the water had just covered this bottom step.
Fearful it'll seep into the first floor.
The only thing you can do is just try to save your personal property.
Its yard is completely flooded. It's not even close to the hardest hit properties in his neighborhood. Now, I'm walking down the middle of Lakeland Drive. You can see the water is just shy of a foot high and goes all the way down the street. Neighbors who live in these homes say it's coming from a watershed just a couple streets down. Some neighbors pulling boats out to paddle down their driveways. 7 News is told at least 150 of these homes in the Snow Hill area of Conway have been swallowed by record flooding coming from the Waccamaw River. But it's not just happening in this one community. Water levels rising across the region as Florence stormwater drains into already flooded rivers and is carried toward the coast.
We're still sort of in shock, all of us.
Nearby at the 501 bypass, retaining walls built to keep the Waccamaw River from spilling over. 3rd Ave, which veers off the highway, already underwater.
It's like watching a tragedy in slow motion, and there's not a thing you can do about it.
The Spartanburg County Sheriff's Office has been collecting donations for people in Conway, and we're told they will make the journey out here tomorrow morning to drop them off. Reporting in Conway, I'm Kirsten Glavin, 7 News.